you think she did it because of Johnny?
No, Ma'am.
She did it right after they broke up.
It wasn't right after.
She was so in love with him.
I really don't think she
Seemed like
was.
she was.
Shut the fuck up, Dave. Just
did
stop
you last time you
talking.
heard her?
Shut up, the pair of you.
You right, kiddo?
Is everyone in there?
Can I get a hand with this TV, please?
Here.
I don't want those left in my fridge.
Hey.
I'm sorry, love, I couldn't come and pick you up. I just didn't get a minute today between the house and David sending me back to the shop to get the right buns.
There's my girl.
Hey,
Look, have you lost weight?
I wouldn't
Do you want
think so.
cheese on your burger? What?
Tell him.
What?
Nothing.
What?
She's a vegetarian now.
Why? That can't be good for you.
That's what I was telling her.
Why did no one tell me?
He was trying to.
Ah, for fuck's sake.
Hey, Hannah. Hey,
Yeah.
where are you going?
Is that your washing?
Yeah, I'll do it later.
You look very pale.
I'm always pale.
Would you be anemic? Did they check you out for that at the hospital?
I don't know. I wasn't
Low
conscious.
iron could be terrible for you, you know. It can make you feel really strange. Breakups are difficult.
Mom.
Look, you just got here. Will you come in and sit down?
No, I don't think he is.
I'm telling you, he is.
That's a surprise to me.
Yeah, it was a surprise to you. That's about it. How are you feeling?
Tired? You must be wrecked. She can't get a decent night's sleep in hospital.
Han. And you know, when I was in with you the other night, I was talking to you about the time that we went to Disneyland. You know, because they say that people in comas can hear you. You know.
It wasn't a real coma, Dad.
Well, what was it then?
Well, it wasn't an actual coma.
Anyway, they can hear you. So I started talking to you about the time that we saw the biggest ride. Remember it? The Kraken.
Did you hear from Johnny?
Why would I hear from Johnny?
Anyway, I was saying how we were scared of it. We went for a swim instead. Decided we'd come back to it later. Next thing, you reefed the tubes out of your mouth and were thrashing around the place. Now, you calmed down eventually, but I sat in your catheter and you started a whole ruckus again. And we had to pin you down. It was very funny. No, you didn't come out of the coma though. You weren't awake like. So mad.
Mad.
You're closest.
Oh, for God's sake. I'll get it. Johnny.
Hi, Jill.
How did you ring the doorbell?
Ah, Johnny.
Hi, Lawrence. How are
Yeah,
you?
you're some neck, man.
Why did you ring the doorbell?
Going to work on Sunday?
What are you doing here?
Well, I just wanted to see how you are.
Okay, all right.
What do you want?
Well, your mum asked me to call over. I've been trying to ring you, but your phone is off. It just didn't exactly know what to do.
Something to eat, Johnny.
No, thanks, Lawrence. Well,
Well, what?
are you okay?
Will you not come in and sit down, John?
No, I'm okay. Thanks, Jill. Honestly, I just want to see she was okay. I'll shoot off.
Oh, well, we have more than enough. You know, you're very welcome.
Ma'am.
So what's the story? What happened?
I'm sure my mom told you.
Yeah, well, she told me what happened, but she didn't give
Will
me
you
the
have a
full
beer,
picture.
Johnny?
No, thanks, Lawrence. Thanks.
What?
I mean, what happened? I didn't think you. Straight after we broke up, I just didn't think, you know, that we come through your head or that you felt that way.
Yeah, he's alone.
It's fine, Jill, honestly.
You think I did it because of you? That is so humiliating!
Why'd you hit him?
You know, if humping Alison Carey didn't do it, I don't know what would.
Why'd you say
Sorry,
it?
Jill. No, I'm really sorry.
Fucking Alison Carey.
No, I'm sorry, Jill. Laura,
What?
I'm
It's
really
the first time he's done
Who
else you right? Who you right?
I think my nose might be broken.
Oh, for God's sake, come and sit down. Oh, we can't send him home like this.
Harry, why did you tell me about this?
Sit down.
Down there, don't fucking bleed. Get some tissues or something.
Thank you, Jill.
You can take that off your wrist now. I can't believe you'd stay with someone like that.
Will you please just eat something? Just take it off the plate.
What's the story with the TV?
I got 3 of them in the end.
Yeah, what did you need?
You got
three
three
for?
televisions. It's hardly appropriate, Lawrence.
Jill, they're televisions.
Hannah, will you eat something, please?
Yeah, you need to get some meat on your bones. In light of your recent behaviour, maybe going vegetarian wasn't the best idea.
Shut the fuck up.
What's it got to do with
Shut
you,
up.
Johnny?
Don't ask
My
me.
behaviour.
Yes, you've been behaving very oddly, yes. Oh, for God's sake, Johnny, there's blood everywhere. Will you use your tissues?
Sorry.
So do you think I did it because I stopped eating meat?
Of course. Of course not.
Then what do you mean about my behaviour? Punching him?
I'm not getting into this with you. But that was a terrible thing to do. I mean, I never taught you to be violent.
Okay, so I'm just doing all this terrible shit and everyone else is just doing a really good job.
Come on now, Hannah, don't talk to your mum like that.
Do you know, when I told you that I'd broken up with him, you said it was something that I did. I did something wrong.
I never said you did anything wrong. This is not the time to talk about it. Look, I know. Breaking up or whatever goings on happened, that must have upset you very much. And of course, it would.
This isn't because of him!
Hannah.
We can talk about this later.
Why? Why would we wait to speak about it? Because of course we're never going to talk about it. We're all just going to pretend like it never happened.
I am not talking about this now.
We could set up the new television.
Is anyone going to eat something?
No, David, because nobody could possibly eat that inordinate amount of food.
Hannah.
Hannah.
Hannah, where you go?
Are you okay? They're nuts. Should they drive anyone to fuck?
So what? You think it's them and they think it's you.
Well, why did you do it then? You know, you can't talk about it either.
I'll see you later.
Oh, I hope you didn't run into Johnny out there.
I tried to kill myself. At what point are we actually going to talk about that? It wasn't a mistake. I did realise I was taking enough that could kill me. And not because of Johnny or you, or because I'm too skinny or too pale or a vegetarian. Just because, for some reason, that's what I wanted to do. That's what I thought was best.
You didn't leave a note.
I didn't know what to say.
But I'd do anything for you, love. Anything. Whatever you need, always. You know that. You know that.
Half a patty for the day that's in it, maybe. Would you even just try the burger? It's a favourite your whole life. I gave it a little. The old season is usually kind of tough. It doesn't have any. It doesn't have any iron. In my broad, it doesn't have any iron. What articles you read?
It's grand. It's grand. It's fine.
I was talking about.
It's grand.
If she meant it.
Put a bit of weight.
What?
David.
Do you know my men's health?
David.
I found my men's health under his.
Shut up.